to Nice Hotel. How may I assist you?
Sir, we want to reserve our room for two persons.
Okay, before we proceed, I need to see for a moment while I'm checking the reservation system. Okay, so upon checking the reservation system, the room that you want to avail is available for two of you. May I know the first name of you two?
I am Kyla.
Okay, room for how many person?
Two persons.
What room would you like to avail?
Deluxe.
Deluxe. So upon checking the reservation, yes, you can avail the room. How would you like to pay for your stand-up pay? Through GCash. Yes, GCash. We accept GCash. So may I have the QR code? Okay. May I scan the system? Okay, so upon the payment, you have successfully paid for the room. And for that, may I please wait for me while I'm checking the Okay, I have already reserved the room and you may have your key for your room in the main car as well. I'll be calling a bellboy to assist with your luggage. Thank you, ma'am.
Good day, is this Miss Mangulabnan?
Hello? Yes, I am Jasenia Mulabnan.
I am Madeline from Front Desk. Gusto lang po namin sanang ipaalam sa inyo na malapit na po ang time nyo for checkout. And gusto lang din po namin malaman kung magpapa-extend pa po kayo ng stay dito sa amin.
Po ka
Okay
mag-extend.
po ma'am, I'll be seeing you at the front desk
Okay,
later.
see you.
Thank you. Good day ma'am, have a seat po. Hello po, I am Madeline from Front Desk. How may I help you? For checkout. Okay, may I have your PIN card please? So, you are Miss Mangulabnan from room 401?
Okay, ma'am. How would you like to settle your event? Wala kami cash. Credit card na lang. Okay, may I have your credit card, please? Okay, ma'am. Your payment is settled na po. Ito nga po pala ang receipt and together with your card. Thank you for staying at our hotel. Have a nice day. Ito, isang kukulo na ako. Ano ba yun? Sa kanya ng pwede kumain. Sige, atas mo tayo ng mga kayo na lang. Wait, teka. Parang masarap din eh. Tara, try natin. Tara, try natin. Tara, pas tayo. Thank you. Okay. One ramen, one Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Wait your order na lang. Thank you. Grabe, sobrang sarap naman ng pagkain dito. Kaya na ako din eh. So, paano? Asan na yung mga para makapagbayad na lang? Card! Wala ako, wala. Pwede ba ikaw na lang magbayad, Jenny? Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi naman best friend na magbayad. Thank you! Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Ano may dinig ko?
Magbayad sana ako.
Okay, anong table po kayo?
4?
Paano kayo kayo sa assistant? Mr. Mediano, please.
Okay.
Mag-end dito.
Hello ma'am, good morning po. Welcome to Bumpers Store. So, how may I help you? Okay ma'am, how would you settle your card? Cash or credit card?
Credit.
Thank you. So, your balance is 1,500 and together with your receipt. Have a nice day, welcome.
Okay.
Uy, tara, nagugutom na ako. Tara, kain tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Yay!
Wala kasi kung kasi. Pwede ba yung online? Pwede ba mag-online page?
Ay, recommend ko sa inyo yung Maya app. So, kung gagawin nyo na po, i-scan nyo na po siya dito. Tapos, yun na po. Ito. Ito. Okay. So, na-receive ko na po yung mail. So,
Ikaw ay nasa layan sa tingin ko panang lumapit ng biglaan para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana? Pangit kong minsan makadala. Napintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Follow the footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my